This problem asks us to simplify using the order of operations. So let's first recall that we have to start with parentheses first. So I see parentheses on the numerator, and inside the parentheses, I need to evaluate 2 cubed. Let's recall that 2 cubed really means I'm supposed to take 2 times 2 times 2. The exponent 3 tells me how many times I multiply the base of 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. This becomes quantity 40 minus 8 all over 2 cubed, which we just figured out was 8. Continuing with the order of operations, I need to do 40 minus 8 next because that's still in parentheses, which is 32. Then I can perform the operation 32 divided by 8, which is going to be equal to 4. Okay, let's look at our next question. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. The next question is asking us to evaluate 10 times 5 minus 2 to the 4th plus 3. So I don't see parentheses, but I see exponents. So remember, 2 to the 4th is really 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's going to be 16. I'm going to rewrite my expression as 10 times 5 minus 16 plus 3. At this point, I need to perform multiplication next. So 10 times 5 is 50 minus 16 plus 3. Now recall, I have subtraction first, then addition. Subtraction and addition have the exact same order of importance, even though subtraction technically comes last when I'm looking at the letters PEMDAS. But because they have the same importance level, I have to perform the operation on the left first. I always go left to right. So I know that 50 minus 16 is going to give me 34. So this is going to be 34 plus 3, which is going to be 37. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And then here I have another conundrum. I don't see parentheses, but I do see exponents. So 3 squared is 9, okay? So I'm gonna fill that in as 9, and I'm literally gonna just recopy everything else, and I'm gonna go from there. So this is 8 times 5. You'll see another way to write times is sometimes you see that X there, as opposed to here, you see the little dot. They both mean multiplication. So again, the next thing I need to do is multiplication. I'm gonna go left to right. Multiplication and division have the same importance level. 8 times 5 is 40. So I'm gonna rewrite 40 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 9 minus 1. Now I need to do division next. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I'm gonna recopy everything else. All right, so just check my work, make sure I'm not making any mistakes. And again, I have to do subtraction next. Okay, so 40 minus 3 is going to give me 37. So 37 plus 9 minus 1. Again, going left to right. Sorry, I'm running out of room here. I'm going to just go over to the side. So 37 plus 9 is going to give me 46. Minus 1. So can everybody see I just sort of extended the problem up this way as I didn't have enough room to write everything. And then 46 minus 1 is going to give me 45. Now my final problem is to evaluate the expression given that x is 5 and y equals 6. So remember, I said yesterday that it is super, super important to use parentheses when you substitute. So you're going to take this and you're going to carefully copy it as -4. Instead of x, I'm going to put parentheses here, copy down the -2, and instead of y, I put parentheses. What goes inside the parentheses? Whatever x and y are equal to. So x is equal to 5, which I put here. Y is equal to -6, which I put here. Recall we said that when a number is next to parentheses, it means multiplication. So I'm doing -4 times 5, which is -20. -2 times -6 is actually a +12, okay? And then finally, -20 plus 12 is going to give me -8. I hope that was helpful. And at this point, once you've reviewed this video, you are ready to do your Delta Math assignment. Your job is to get as many right as possible.